Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? It's time to celebrate now because all crypto market is moving upward now, and absolutely the price is starting increasing now. So this is very good news for all of you, especially for me because I'm also holder of Polygon. So who is a new holder of Polygon? If you are new, so kindly like video and subscribe this channel, because if you are new in the crypto market, so ABS channel will freely guide you. Absolutely, they will give you a good advice and urgent updates now. So you need to subscribe our YouTube channel. Alright, my brother, the last 24-hour chart, as you can see, my brother, 5.18% profit, and you can see, my brother, time 0.95 USD dollar is the latest price, my brother, of my brother, this time. So absolutely, my friend, you can see here the price is very badly dims down, but not defend, my friend, in a volume now. If volume is decreased now, so therefore the coin is completely destroyed now. But holders, don't do any mistake, please hold it. I hope, my brother, the price will be increasing if you hold. So let's see, my brother, just in only we need to check it out the last 7 days chart, because in last 7 days all crypto market, my brother, is very badly dims down. So therefore my brother, oh my goodness, this time you can see your Polygon just one of the unique, my brothers, they will move upward. Otherwise all cryptocurrencies is very badly falls down. So I'm really happy to see this, and absolutely, my friend, in upcoming time there is also chances to they will moving upward now. So as you can see, my brother, after this fails, as you can see here, after this fails they will start moving upward, and I hope, my brothers, they will move upward now. But just in only, my friends, need if you are hold. So what's your opinion? Tell me in the comment box. My opinion is to please hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.